Understanding, a present for you, a guide to English gifting phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we aim to make English learning fun and accessible. Today, we're diving into a common and heartwarming phrase, a present for you. This phrase is all about the joy of giving and receiving gifts. Stick around to learn not just what it means, but also how to use it in your everyday conversations. Let's make your English journey a little more exciting with the gift of new phrases. A present for you is a phrase that encapsulates the act of giving someone a gift. The word present here means a gift or something given to someone without expecting anything in return. The phrase signifies not just the physical item being given, but also the intention of kindness, thoughtfulness, and affection behind the gesture. It's a way to show someone they are valued and thought of. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from casual to formal. Here are a few scenarios. Birthday celebrations. When handing over a gift, you can say, "I got a present for you," to make the moment more special. Holidays and festivals. During festive seasons, exchanging gifts is common. Saying, "I have a present for you," adds a personal touch to the exchange. Surprising someone. If you want to surprise a friend or family member, you can use this phrase before revealing the gift to increase the anticipation and excitement. It's a versatile phrase that can be adapted to many situations, making it a useful addition to your English vocabulary. Understanding the cultural nuances behind gifting is as important as knowing the phrase. In many English-speaking cultures, gifts are a way to strengthen relationships and express feelings. The phrase, "a present for you," is often accompanied by a smile or a hug, making the exchange more meaningful. It's not just about the material value of the gift but the thought that counts. We hope this video has given you a deeper understanding of the phrase, "a present for you," and how it's used in English-speaking cultures to express kindness, affection, and friendship. Remember, learning a new language opens up a world of opportunities to connect with others in meaningful ways. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use this phrase next time you have a gift to give. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video. This guide to "a present for you" not only enriches your English vocabulary but also helps you navigate social interactions with more confidence and warmth.